In this video, we'll be looking at how we use the developer tab to create a fillable form here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing that we want to do, if you don't have the developer tab already, is to go to the option here for customizing the toolbar, and we can click on that drop down list and go to more commands, and then we can go here to customize ribbon. Then over on the right, we go to the option for developer. And if it's unchecked, then you can go ahead and check that. And then we can just click on OK here. And once we have done that, you should now notice we have a number of different controls that we can work with here, including the plain text. We also have your checkbox. We also have a combo box and drop down list control, etc. All right, so what we're going to do, let's say in this scenario, we're going to create a business information form. So I can go ahead and business information. Okay, let's go back up to the top here. Business information form. And I'm going to insert a table. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a table with this amount of rows, 7. This should be good enough. And let's say information that we want to have on this form is like first name, maybe last name as well. Okay, there we go. Maybe something like business category. Maybe something like maybe we're asking a question here. It could be, you know, whether or not you need a website. Do you need a website? All right, and it's in the form of a question, so that would be, you can use our yes no option for that. Check boxes, and maybe we have a phone contact here, or let's format this a little bit better here. I'm gonna be centering this information. Great. All right, so I think that should do it. Okay, great. So the next thing that we want to do now is that we're going to go back to our developer tab on the ribbon, and then we're going to use the plain text option here. All right, control. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that plain text. We also have the same for the last name as well. All right, and we also, for the business category, we'll come back to that, because what we want to do is we're going to have a drop down list or something for that. We have the yes no option here. For this one, we're going to insert the check boxes here. So these are the check boxes. So go ahead and insert one there beside the yes, and also one beside the no. All right, phone contact, we can also use the plain text control for that. For the business category, we're going to use this drop down list control, and then I'm going to use this option here, properties. Click on the properties option here, and now we can add in the drop down list the different values we want to add there. So for this, we're asking is business category, so we're going to maybe have something like, okay, maybe education could be one category. All right, and okay, my spelling is a little bit off here. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's add technology. Okay, so there we go, technology. And maybe we want to add one more. Okay, so maybe we can have auto. There we go. That's it. Let's click on OK. And now we can click on this little drop down list arrow, and we can see the different categories that we have there. All right, so when entering the text is very simple and straightforward. We can just go ahead and just enter the text as it is. So you can see that this works the way it should. So for the category, we simply select, say it's technology, and yes, let's say we do need a website, so we check that. And we can also enter our phone contact information here. So just some arbitrary numbers. There we go. All right, so it's as simple as that in terms of using fillable form options in the developer tab in Microsoft Word, right? So I hope this video helped you in some way, and if it did, you can go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how you are using fillable forms and what other feature of Microsoft Word you'd like me to create videos on. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and see you next time.